My friends, before we begin, I want you to understand something. Every generation gets a window, a specific, time-limited window when certain sectors grow so fast, create so much value, and generate so much wealth that ordinary people who position themselves correctly become extraordinarily rich, not because they are geniuses, but because they were in the right place, at the right time, with the right information. The internet created that window in the 90s. Mobile technology created it in the 2000s. Renewable energy created it in the 2010s. And right now, today, 5 sectors are opening that window again. The question is not whether these sectors will create millionaires. They already are. The question is, will you be one of them, or will you sit on the sidelines explaining one day why you didn't act? I prefer you act. Let's begin. Sector 1. Artificial intelligence and automation. My friends, we start with the obvious, because obvious doesn't mean you've acted on it. Artificial intelligence is not a tech trend. It is the most important restructuring of economic value since the Industrial Revolution. Every industry on Earth is being rebuilt around it. Healthcare, finance, manufacturing, education, logistics. AI is not entering these sectors, it is taking them over. The millionaires here are not just engineers building AI. They are investors in AI infrastructure, entrepreneurs building on top of AI platforms, professionals learning to multiply their productivity with it. People misunderstand AI. The internet created millionaires. AI will create them faster, in greater numbers, and across more industries at the same time. We are at the beginning of a very long and very profitable story. Sector 2. Clean energy and green infrastructure. Before you roll your eyes, this is not about saving the planet. It's about following the money. Governments worldwide have committed trillions to energy transition: solar, wind, battery storage, hydrogen, smart grids. These commitments are legally binding, politically entrenched, and economically irreversible. Wealth creation here is massive. Solar installers, battery manufacturers, grid builders, clean energy financiers. This sector is producing millionaires the way oil did in the 20th century. And the best part, we are still early. Most of the infrastructure that will power 2040 doesn't exist yet. That's not a problem, that's an opportunity. Sector 3. Health tech and longevity. This one is personal. The global population is aging rapidly. By 2035, for the first time in history, people over 65 will outnumber those under 15. This creates unstoppable demand for healthcare innovation. AI diagnostics, personalized medicine, genomics, mental health tech, longevity research, robotic surgery, telehealth platforms. These are not niche markets. They are among the fastest growing sectors globally. Companies solving aging-related challenges will become some of the most valuable in the world. Investors who see it early will be among the wealthiest. This isn't speculation, it's demographics. Sector 4. Cybersecurity, and one most people underestimate. Everything is digital now, and everything digital can be attacked. Cybercrime is now the 3rd largest economy in the world. That means cybersecurity is not optional, it's essential. Spending is rising every year, regardless of economic conditions. This sector is recession-resistant, geopolitically driven, and structurally short on talent. A perfect combination for growth. This is not a trend, it's a permanent cost of the digital world. Sector 5. Fintech and decentralized finance. The reinvention of money itself. Mobile payments, digital banking, decentralized lending, tokenized assets, cross-border systems. These are bringing financial access to billions. This is not charity, it's a massive untapped market. Companies capturing it are growing faster than traditional banks can respond. Fintech is also disrupting from the top. Wealth management, insurance, lending, trading, all being rebuilt faster, cheaper, and more accessible. My friends, here is the truth. AI, clean energy, health tech, cybersecurity, fintech, 5 sectors, 5 structural forces reshaping the global economy. You don't need to bet everything. You don't need to quit your job. But you do need to understand where the world is going and make sure part of your capital goes with it. The millionaires of 2035 are being created right now. In decisions made today, the window is open. The only question is, will you step through it? Like, subscribe, and share this with someone ready to stop watching opportunity pass by, because the best investment you can make is positioning yourself before everyone else realizes what you already know. See you in the next video. Take care of yourselves, and take even better care of your money.